Hi, my name is Yuxin, and I'm one of the co-founders of Replo. Replo is the e-commerce platform that helps you sell more of your Shopify products on the internet. We have a comprehensive landing page builder, integrated analytics, and A/B testing product, and all of these tools work together to help you drive higher conversion rates and make the sale every time. Over 20,000 Shopify and Shopify Plus teams have already used our platform to make millions of dollars in additional revenue. And here's how. When you sign up for Replo, we automatically integrate all the data from your Shopify store in all your integrations and apps. And today, I'm going to show you how to build a landing page in under 2 minutes. All you have to do is go to the Pages panel and press the plus button and click Choose Template. Here we have hundreds of different templates to choose from, but I can also search and say landing page, and it's going to pull up all the different landing pages I can use. This is one of my favorites, so I'm going to select it here and click Create New Page. This is going to import this draft page into my Shopify store where it's already connected with all my Shopify products. So I can click this thing here, go to Edit, and switch it out with a different product from my store. Here, I'm going to do the bomber jacket, and I can edit all the text here. It's already imported all my product titles and prices, but I can also look at what it's going to look like on mobile. I can click the plus button and add in different sections like the hero sections, banners, collections of different products, comparison charts, and all of these different easy to use templates that I can drag into my page. Cool. I can also use the AI Build Assistant tool. So I can click this and say, can you update the styles here to olive, which is the color of my bomber jacket? And I also want you to update the copy to convince all the visitors to this page to buy this jacket. If you can write a helpful testimonial at the bottom, that'd be great. And make the styles generally pop off the screen. I want people to be really excited about this jacket that we're selling. Okay, and now it's gonna feed that into our model and make the changes directly on the page. It's gonna give a quick explanation of what it's gonna do. And you can see it's actually making the changes for me directly. Okay, once it's done, I can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and I can click accept. Once I updated all the copy on the other sections, I can go ahead and click publish on this page, which will send that directly into my Shopify store. And this is such a great way to build landing pages in Shopify and just get much higher conversion rates across the board for all of your products. Hopefully this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions or feedback, and feel free to DM us on Twitter or LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at support@replo.app. Thanks.